In this session we're going to talk about the toilet. I'm sure you don't really want to listen to too much about the toilet, but unfortunately it's something you're probably going to have to use on the yacht. So, on a yacht, the toilet is called a head. I won't go into why now, but if you're interested, maybe you can research that on your own. So this is our head. It's been left nicely for us with the lid down. That's nice and polite. That's always good. It's a manual flush toilet on this yacht. So we have a manual pump which can pump the water in and out. And we have a selector switch. So at the moment it's over to the right hand side, which means it will empty the bowl when we pump. If we move it to the left hand side, it means that as it empties the bowl, it will bring in seawater to flush the toilet. So to operate the pump, if we move the selector switch to the left and pump the pump, this will bring in water and empty the toilet at the same time. If we move the selector switch to the right, this will empty the toilet and not bring any water. We want to leave a small amount of water in the bottom of the head, but not so much that when the boat is sailing and heeling over that it can tip out onto the floor. So always remember, when you leave the toilet, to lock the pump, make sure the selector switch is over to the right on the empty side, and be polite and put the seat down. So that was a quick video on how to use a manual flush head. When you get on the yacht that you're going to sail on, listen to the skipper's briefing, because they'll have different rules about what can be put into the toilet and how many times to pump the handle.